Xbox update is frustrating, but it's usually fixable. This error often points to a problem with the console's ability to download or apply the update, frequently related to storage or cached data. Here is a structured, step-by-step guide to resolve the issue, starting with the simplest and most common solutions. Understanding the error. The error code 0x8800500000000x0000000201 typically indicates one of the following: corrupted system update files, insufficient storage space for the update, a conflict with cached data, a network issue interrupting the download, a problem with the internal hard drive. Step 1. The power cycle, a full restart. This is the most effective first step for most Xbox issues. It clears the cache and resets various system processes without deleting your games or data. 1. Hold the Xbox button on the front of the console for about 10 seconds until it fully powers off. 2. Unplug the power cord from the back of the Xbox. 3. Wait at least 30 seconds. This is crucial as it drains residual power and clears the cache. 4. Plug the power cord back in. 5. Turn your console back on by pressing the Xbox button. 6. Try the update again.